up, guys? It is dark, so I put on the sepia thingy, whatever it's called, so you can see, like, Aiden. This is technically night vision. It can see me, like, right now. Well, yeah, so you can see me. Yes, I don't have a shirt on, but I do have pants on. Look at those pants. Okay, what I'm going to teach you to do is click your tongue. So what you want to do is put your tongue at the top of your mouth, like right there. And you want to create air pressure. And you want to okay, so yeah, you just want to do that. Number 2, get your hands and put them like this, and then create a little hole, and then you blow into it. You go. Here proves that I'm blowing into it. 1, 2, 3. So there's that. So yeah, there's that. My hair's right here, if you like, right here. As you can see, it's white. So what we're gonna do is the next one. Yay! Every time I move, it's just like a black spot on my tooth. Okay, whatever, but so you want to have your hands like this, and then you're going to do this, finger, go like this, bring it out, and you have it like that. You're going to fit your mouth into it and say, girl, 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 girl. And then you have this. See, you have that. And here proves it. Girl, 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 girl. It's just that, I don't know how. It just does out. So, girl, 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 girl. See, I put it on, so it proves. Girl, 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 girl. See? Girl, 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 girl. Hey, Mom! Girl, 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 girl. Okay. So that's this video proof. Girl, 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 girl. Yeah, you can play rhythms like. Girl, 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 girl. Oh yeah, I didn't teach you that. You just get your hands and you go like this. You have to have them wet, and then you go. You slightly put them like this. Okay, well, you slightly, oh, wait, yeah, you slightly do that, and then you go, I haven't, like, mastered it. I wouldn't say mastered it. My hand, it's gone. Okay, but, yeah. So, yeah. So, you want your hands wet, and then you go like this, and then you put them together slightly, and then you bring that down, And it makes a little fart noise. And then the last one, the duck noise. So yeah, you want to do a duck noise like this. Or move your nose. It's cool that my eyes are like orange. I'm gonna get my contact out. Wait. Got that. Okay. I'm back. Okay, so yeah, you just want to go. If you know how to I don't know how to explain it, you would go like you're about to whistle, and then bring this lip this way. So. Bring this cheek up like that. That's cool. My lips are green. Okay, so yeah. Hey, my bed. You telling me this and telling me that. I got a lesson. I'm gonna teach. ¿Cómo estás? Yui! So yeah, that's gonna be this video. So make sure to. I messed up. That was horrible. And out. So peace, subscribe, leave a like. If you got any more questions, ask. I love questions. And bye guys. Peace. Just peace. I can't do it with peace. So yeah. Peace, subscribe, leave a like, comment, please subscribe, leave a like, comment, and yeah, peace.